I've been doing wildlife work for a fairly long time, actually. So while most people cringe and shudder at the thought of having to work with creepy crawly reptiles, I absolutely loved it. I had always liked reptiles. I was one of the strange children that filled my pockets with things that makes mothers cringe. And so for me, finding a horned lizard position with this human impact issue was ideal. When we use radiotelemetry to find an organism, we have to attach a tag to the animal, and this can cause different kinds of issues, especially related to the weight of that tag. I am looking at the impacts of marking small terrestrial lizards using horned lizards kind of as a model system. This is important because with any radiotelemetry study, you're using your marked population to make larger decisions about the unmarked population. And so it's very important to know if you are having any kind of an impact on your marked animals. So often, students, especially those coming in from a high school, simply are not aware of all the things you can do with the kinds of degrees that you can get from a program like Natural Resource Management. If I started talking about a degree in wildlife biology, it was immediately assumed that I was going to be a forest ranger or a park ranger or a game warden. And while those are options that are available, there are also numerous other jobs that can be done via these degrees, or these degrees can then prepare you for a wider variety of things. I personally feel that an understanding of the natural environment is critical. All of our resources, everything we rely on, comes from this natural world, and so whether your interest is in growing crops, growing cattle, saving lizards, all of that comes down to this base environmental system.